What's in there, Abe?
Abel, look. Look what's in there. You see it? Abel.
Don't chew it.
Ooh, Abel, look at all the yummies.
Come on. Got ribbons? You're a lucky man.
No, he's thirsty.
He wants the bacon flavor. Look at it. Whoa. Is this more of it? Dragon?
Open up one of the treat bags.
Okay. I'm gonna open this one.
No, no, no.
This one. Let's see.
Did Mama Jan send you love? Ooh, Abel, what's that? Ooh.
Here. What? Oh, gosh. Like some bacon.
Hi, Abel.
Smell it? Want to smell it? I know. I'm just tormenting you. Okay, smell it. Smell good? Yeah?
Abel,
Abel.
Abel, come here, baby. Abel, can you send love to Mama Jan?
Say thank you. Say thank you.